Good morning, my name is Jason Baez. Today we're doing a charging circuit voltage drop on a 2001 Toyota Camry. So for voltage drop, the specifications are it should not exceed, on the negative side, negative 200 millivolts. On the positive side, it should not exceed positive 500 millivolts. In addition, we're going to start the vehicle. We're going to turn on the high beams. We're going to turn on the heater blower on high and bring the RPMs up to 2,000. First thing we're going to do is turn on the multimeter. And we're going to put the leads on the positive and the output of the alternator. Positive post. So positive and then output. So it reads 2.21 volt. So we're going to rev it up to 2,000. Next thing, we're going to turn on the headlights and I'll be back. So we're going to, with the headlights on, we're going to rev the engine again. Now we're going to check for the ground side. So we go to the negative post to the cover of the alternator. And then we're going to rev up to 2,000. So negative 0.497 millivolts is outside of the specifications. I'm going to clean the negative post and terminal and remeasure using the multimeter. So after doing a little bit of cleaning on the terminal post and the terminal connection, let's recheck it. So on this 2001 Toyota Camry, the charging circuit is good. Each vehicle might have a different specification depending on the repair manual, but on average, it is not to exceed on the negative 0.200 millivolts, and on the positive 0.500 millivolts.